Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to back up WhatsApp chats via email. Note, WhatsApp doesn't allow backing up all chats via email at once. You can only send individual chats to your email. Here's how. Open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner. Select Setting. Go to Chat. Tap Chat History. Choose Export Chat. Select the chat you want to email, either from personal chats or group chats. It will now open the Gmail app or offer to choose an email app. Enter your own email address or any email you want to send it to. Tap Send. Open your Gmail or other email app. Open the email you just sent. You can extract or copy it or save it to Google Drive or any cloud service for long-term storage if you want. And that's it. Now you know how to back up your WhatsApp chats via email. Quick, easy, and super helpful for saving important conversations. Whether you are switching phones or just want a copy for your records, this method has you covered. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tips that make your phone work smarter. Got questions or other WhatsApp tricks you want to learn? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.